What's up, guys? We are back again. This is a different vlog here. So we have a bunch of tech that just showed up. I actually got all of this stuff from Raw Deals For You. I contacted them not too long ago and pretty much told them my situation on what gear I had, what gear I needed, and they came up with a solution, of which I did not even know that this stuff was even coming until I got the box. But of course, I didn't show you opening up the box because we are already here, and we're going to try some of this cool stuff out that I got to actually make everything in production a lot better. So the camera I'm actually filming on right now is the AX700 that was also included in this kit. It has a Rode VideoMic Go on it, and for setup wise, this thing was super simple to set up, and here we are. It took me about 5 minutes to set this thing up, and I have which I would say my biggest surprise is a DJI Mavic 2 Pro, of which we're gonna learn to fly right here in downtown in the square. So we're gonna see how this goes. Actually have Zach here with me. If you don't remember Zach, he was the one that jacked the Hardens up in the last video, which was tragic and funny. But we're out here. We're gonna do some filming, some exploring, and I'm gonna take you guys with us on this little journey of filling out this new tech, and super thankful. So we're gonna put the links in the description below for Raw Deals For You, and go check them out. Tell them that Radical Speed sent you, and you will get some money back. So let's check out this drone. So here is the Mavic 2 Pro. This is exactly how I got it. Didn't come with the original box or anything, but they actually packaged it up really nice in a DJI hard case with everything you could possibly need for a drone, period. So here you go. This is the Mavic 2, and you can see we got the skin on it already. It actually came with some propeller holders, and it looks really nice. I actually charged everything up last night, so I think we'll be ready for flight. And one thing I did notice, I will take this little bubble off so that way we can move the gimbal around, because this little thing holds it straight. So we want full mobility when we set this thing up. So take this thing off. Safe place to put this thing down. Smart controller that comes with it. It's telling me I can go fly. And we're gonna ignore that update for now. And bam, there we are. So we'll take this off. Man, that shows good. We're in a no-fly zone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It says no, sir.
Yep. It says
Yeah.
aircraft is in no-fly zone. So. Oh, bonkers.
Guess we gotta find another spot to fly.
Says I need an internet connection to to just unlock it.
Damn.
So we may put a handy dandy phone here. Let's see if we can get in the air anyway. Alright, so we had to move and change locations, which was probably about a couple hundred feet to our left. We were in a no-fly zone, so we could not fly because of the Bill and Hillary Airport that is not too far away from here. But it says we're out of the zone now, and I'm going to try to fire the drone up and see if it's okay with that. And hopefully so, we can get a nice shot because it is golden hour right now, so we're right in between sun up, sunset and sundown and everything. You get that nice pearly glow in the horizon. So no ND filter required here. Once again, it said our current route, even though we were outside the no-fly zone, that we were going to enter the no-fly zone. So now we have moved closer to the capital. And we are out of the no-fly zone, and we're about to find out if we can take flight here. So hopefully we can. There's actually 0 people in the parking lot.
We got competition over here.
Y'all gotta see this picture. Look.
Yo. That's awesome.
Wow. That is pretty cool. Let's get it up higher.
Where we at? Oh,
It's
right
right
above
there.
us. See how close it lands to the spot that it started off in. $1,100 feet up. Hard to find in the camera. It's coming down to us. That thing is precise. Yeah, we've got probably a 10-mile-an-hour wind out here. You can probably hear it.
And we are home.
What'd you think of your first drone experience?
This has to be the easiest thing I've ever flown in my entire life because it's the first thing I've ever flown.
It's also the hardest thing you've ever flown.
Yeah. But, man, the flight was very simple. It's intimidating because it's a drone, it's a Mavic. And, man, with this controller and all the options, it was really simple to operate. We got it after we were out of the no-fly zone. This thing was perfect. We flew all around, of which you're gonna see here, and man, got some really sick shots of the Capitol. So yeah, that was pretty dope. And the camera Zach is holding, the AX700, is doing phenomenal. So I would say with this little package here, we've definitely stepped the game up. So can't wait to see what comes with this, because the racing video has changed. So until the next time, guys, see you later.